Thank you for coming to the Scott Team Realty YouTube page. Today we're going to learn how to use the Dare County Tax Office program, property information for Dare County. So the first thing you do is let's go to your search engine and type in Dare County GIS, and you'll have quite a few results. Dare County parcel data is probably the easiest one to use. It'll take you right to the website. There's a waiver here that you can click on, and so you can actually use the program. Over here you have a search panel where you can put in, if you know a specific address for somebody or a street address, you can put that in. And then you have this aerial of the entire outer Dare County, and you can go out or toggle in from here, or use your mouse if you have a roller on your mouse. You can move the screen around any way you want by holding down the left button on your mouse and then moving the mouse around. Let's click on a specific property and you'll get the information on that property. So if we click on this one right here, it will be outlined in red, and then over here on the left hand side you'll have the information on this property. This shows that this property is owned by College of the Albemarle right here, and with the assessed value of the property and a little bit more information about it. Up here is a number of things you can click on. You can see when it was last sold, the tax bill that's been paid, and the property record. So in the property record, this window will pop up showing you a picture of the property and an aerial shot. You'll also have the legal information about the property, when the last deed was transferred, the assessed value for the property here, and then a little bit of the description of the property here. This shows that this is just under 3 acres, and the buildings are over 30,000 square feet. Some of these parcel pages have sketches of the property as well. This shows a sketch of the buildings with how they came up with the square footage. And then at the very bottom you'll have here the assessed values from the last 3 reassessments, 2005, 13, and 20. So that's good information for each property in Dare County that you can get. There's a couple other things I want to show you. First of all, there's under this icon is map layers, and this is a good tool to look at. So if you click on that, you can see there's imagery from different years. You have the flood zones. This is a helpful one, so you can see where the different flood zones are with each property. And then the other one that's probably the most useful is the deeded dimensions. So this shows all the dimensions of all the lines on Dare County properties. Let's go back to the search function here, and let's put in, let's search by an address. So put in 132 Russell Twyford, and up pops this specific property. So if you can put the address in, you can put the owner's name in. There's a lot of ways to search on a property with the GIS. That's about it for this short tutorial on how to use the Dare County GIS program. Thank you very much for staying around and listening, and if there's anything we can do to help you, feel free to call Scott Team Realty. Thank you.